Welcome to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the place where colors and fun come alive every day. Today, we are going to draw and color one of the coolest Transformers ever, Hot Rod. Get ready to see him both as a powerful robot and as his awesome car mode. We'll start slowly with each shape so you can follow along easily. Make sure you have your pencils, markers, and lots of excitement ready. Let's begin our creative adventure together right now. First, we start with the head of Hot Rod, nice and sharp with a cool helmet shape. Next, we add his broad shoulders to show his strong robot power. Now let's sketch the arms, one ready with his blaster cannon. We carefully draw his chest with the iconic Autobot logo in the middle. Then we go down to his long robot legs, making him look tall and strong. Finally, we add all the little details that make Hot Rod shine as a true Transformer. Now it's time to bring Hot Rod to life with bright colors. Next comes the yellow highlights on his chest, arms, and legs. We carefully color his blaster so it looks shiny and strong. The golden details make him look even more powerful and heroic. His red armor, making him look fiery and bold. At the end, our Hot Rod robot looks amazing and full of action. Let's now transform Hot Rod into a sleek car mode. First, we draw the car body low and fast with smooth curves. Next, we sketch the big wheels that help him race across roads. We carefully add the sharp front to make him look super speedy. Finally, we finish the details so the car looks ready to zoom. Now, we color the car with the same fiery red all over. We color the wheels dark with a touch of gray for shine. Next, we add yellow streaks that make it look like flames. The front lights glow bright, showing he's ready to race. The details on the spoiler stand out with bold colors. And just like that, our hot rod car is full of energy and speed. Wow, today we brought Hot Rod to life in both robot and car form. He looks strong, fast, and ready for any adventure. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to keep practicing to make your drawings even better. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Kiddo Adventure Zone fun. See you next time with more awesome characters to draw and color.